Welcome to the What's New in Fiery Prep-It 6.3.2 Express video. Included in the Express video is an overview of Fiery Prep-It, a review of the new features available in version 6.3.2, Prep-It technical information, and a list of additional resources available to help you better understand the use of the software. Fiery Prep-It is an award-winning, powerful, easy-to-use solution used for the preparation, layout, and automated production of files for print-to-cut jobs. New features for 6.3.2 fall into 4 areas. These areas include output-related enhancements, cut file-related enhancements, integration-related enhancements, and finally, system-level improvements. In 6.3.1 and earlier versions of Prep-It, a size-optimized output file is always created to avoid wasting media. New in version 6.3.2 is a fixed output sheet size option. Enable this option to keep the output sheet size consistent when generating the PDF output files for printing. This type of output is required for cut sheet print for cut production because cut marks and barcodes need to be placed close to the printer margin to be recognized by the camera system of the cutting device for automated cutting. If cut marks or barcodes deviate by more than approximately 1 centimeter between 2 sheets, it would require a camera readjustment. This feature also enables true shape nesting print production when driving cut sheet presses and automated cutting. To enable the fixed output sheet size option, 2 settings on the Sheets tab in the Cut Media Manager edit window need to be configured. First, with a sheet size selected, enable the Nesting Fixed Output Size checkbox. Next, because Fiery Prep-It does not drive printers directly, but only generates the PDF and cut files, Prep-It does not automatically know the printer margins, which are printer-specific. To avoid placing cut marks and barcodes in the non-printable area, enable the Place Reg Marks Barcodes at Sheet Edge checkbox and enter the horizontal and vertical margins for your specific printer in the appropriate fields. For faster cutting and to reduce tool wear on your cutter, a new feature has been added that will automatically detect shared edges or cut lines between adjacent parts. Enable the Common Cut Line Removal feature and your cutter will cut any shared cut line once instead of twice. Enable this feature and you will see faster cutting of your jobs along with reduced wear on your cutting tools. If you do not enable this feature, you may see a higher level of cutting precision and edge quality, along with tighter cut tolerances. This feature is available for use when generating all the cut file output formats, which include the PDF, Adobe Illustrator, and Zund Cut Center file formats. You can enable this feature in the Fiery Prep-It server preferences in the Hot Folders Additional Cut Files window. In this same window, if you are generating Zund Cut Center cut files, you will be able to enable an additional option labeled Add Job Size, which will add the job size information into the ZCC file. This information is needed for automatic feed length and vacuum definitions for use with Zend cutters based on the job size. This feature will provide you with faster and more reliable job handling when used with your Zund cutter. This feature is for use with Zund Cut Center version 4.0 or later. Click on the special button in Cut Media Manager and a window will open with an option to import from ZCC Export. Click this button and you will be able to import a Zund Material Database file that you have exported from Zund Cut Center version 3.5 or later. This eliminates the need to manually recreate your Zund material list in Prep-It. The entries imported using this feature will include your Zund Cut Center cutting methods and cutter settings. The 6.3.2 version of Prep-It is now supported under Mac OS 14 Sonoma and OS 15 Sequoia, including support for version 15.4.1, released by Apple on April 16, 2024. Fiery Prep-It server version 6.3.2 can be installed on a Windows computer running either a 64-bit version of Windows 10 or under Windows 11. Shown here is a list of the minimum recommended hardware requirements for the computer that the server component is installed on. The Prep-It client component is also supported under either a 64-bit version of Windows 10 or under Windows 11 on a computer with these minimum hardware specifications, or on a Mac running Mac OS 13, 14, or 15 along with these minimum hardware specifications. In addition to this Express video, additional resources will be found by searching for Prep-It at fiery.com. There you will find the Prep-It brochure, installation, and user guides, as well as information on a Prep-It software maintenance and support agreement. And at learning.fiery.com you will find an updated e-learning course, Workflow 201B. Thank you for your time.